Hey guys, I am back with another video. Today we are going to create a very simple look for the spring. So this is a very simple eyeshadow tutorial you can easily follow. Start, I have to apply a primer to my lid and blend it smoothly. You guys know that I love working with the both eyes together, and I am using a palette from Makeup Revolution to create this look. Here is the palette. 123 is the shade I'm going to be using. So I am starting with a lemon green and apply it to your lid. So I am using a flat brush to apply the lemon green to my lid, and I will be working with the both eyes together as well. Trust the process, and this is the easiest way to apply your eyeshadow for a beginner. So next I am blending out the ash line using a very light yellow to blend out the ash line without no trace. Next I am going to be applying a highlight to my brow bone. I am using highlight from Makeup Revolution London as well. So blend it smoothly. I am using the number 3 shade, which is my skin tone. I am using it to blend out the ash line of the highlights. So take a look at this. Then add a shimmer green shade on the inner part. I am using a different palette from Makeup Revolution London, Division Reloaded palette. This is the one of my favorite palette as well. So I have to blend it carefully on the inner parts, working with the both eyes. And I really love the way the color pop out. And if you want your color to pop out this way, make sure you use eyeshadow primer or eyeshadow base. They are both the same. Apply it to your lid before using any eyeshadow of your choice. So make sure you use those primer. If you don't use the primer, when you apply eyeshadow without primer, trust me, the color is not going to pop out. So make sure you always use primer before applying any eyeshadow of your choice. That is how to apply eyeshadow and how to get the perfect color that you really desire. So guys, I am done applying my wing eyeliner, and next I am going to apply concealer and blend it smoothly to my skin. I am going to put all the product I use on this video on the description list. So if I didn't mention any names in this video, go straight to my description list and you will find all the product I use on this video and the shade, everything. I will put them on the description list. Thank you so much guys, and keep on watching this video. Bye.